EXTERRA EVER-READY Total Termite Protection System. EXTERRA EVER-READY is the latest advance in termite colony elimination from Ensystex, the global leader in termite baiting technology. It is designed to continuously safeguard your home, always ready and able to intercept and eliminate termite colonies from the moment of install and every moment of every day thereafter. Termites can destroy a home in just a few months. They live in colonies that can contain more than 1 million timber-devouring insects that will travel more than 75 metres in search of timbers to feast on. Your home provides a smorgasbord of timber and cellulose goods for them to devour. Australian termites are truly the most destructive timber pests in the world, causing hundreds of millions of dollars of damage every year to Australian homes. EXTERRA EVER-READY is a unique environmentally responsible solution. EXTERRA EVER-READY EZ Stations are installed around your home to create a defensive shield. The EZ Stations are linked to each other by focused termite attractant, which forms a Termite Interception Zone between each EZ Station to protect against termites passing between the stations. This Termite Interception Zone is unique to EXTERRA. A REQUIEM EVERREADY Bait Sack is present in each EZ Station, containing the most palatable termite bait on the market. This means your EXTERRA EVER-READY system is active from the start. Termites will be actively intercepted and the colony eliminated. The REQUIEM EVER-READY bait kills the entire colony, including the queen and king termites. There are more than a dozen peer-reviewed scientific papers from leading researchers that confirm the efficacy and palatability of REQUIEM termite bait. That's clever science that other systems can't show. Installation involves little to no disruption around your home. The slim, EZ stations containing the termite bait are simply inserted into the ground. There is no mixing and no mess. Your EXTERRA professional pest manager will periodically inspect the EZ stations and replenish them as required. Most importantly, EVERREADY provides you the added security of knowing that even if termites enter your property in between inspections, or if you need to delay a scheduled inspection, the EZ stations are always active, so your home is always protected. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for 365 days of the year, offering you a long-term termite protection system that's easy on the environment. EXTERRA EVER-READY is a safer, environmentally friendly way to protect your property against termites. It provides a safer, more natural approach to protecting your home. When you install the environmentally friendly EXTERRA EVER-READY system, you will also be supporting Australian Wildlife Conservancy and securing vital habitat for Australia's threatened wildlife. Choose the EXTERRA EVER-READY Total Termite Protection System for advanced elimination of termite colonies.